Hello everybody, and welcome back to our channel. This is just a quick little tip, something I tried out a while back and it seems to work really well. And that is my homemade lift bracket for the Model T engine. It's just made of a half-inch pipe reducer. So that screws into the spark plug hole. And then I use this, I believe it's a 5/8 eye bolt. And then I threaded the reducer for this 5/8 eye bolt. And this eye bolt goes in number 3 hole if you just want to pick this engine up and move it around, or you can even use it to pull it out of the car. But in order to get the tail end of the engine down and the nose of the engine up, I use it in number 2 spark plug hole, and that way it gets the engine in more of a position, be able to get it in and out. If you have a closed car with a steel firewall, get you down far enough that the pedals will clear so you can pull the engine out or put it back in. Anyway, that's all there is to it. I can just unscrew this out of the bushing. And I just screw it down about even with the bottom of the bushing. You can see it's just a simple eye bolt. And then I've threaded that pipe bushing. So just a little a quick tip, a cheap way to make a tool that's perfectly safe. It's not going to break and come out of there, and it gives you just about the proper angle on the engine in whatever you want to do to lift it in or out of the car, or move it around, whatever. Thanks for watching, and we'll have more videos out pretty soon.